Welcome to the new Backyard Plus website. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the new and improved Parts Finder, as well as how to navigate some of the site's new features. Let's start with Parts Finder. Parts Finder is a custom database that we designed to make finding exact match parts for your spa easier than ever. Note that before using Parts Finder, you are going to need your spa serial number or the spa model and the year that it was manufactured. First, enter your spa serial number or your spa information. After you enter your serial number or spa information successfully, you will be taken to a screen where you can view valuable information about your spa and choose from a category to shop in. You will see a green banner that indicates that Parts Finder is now active and filtering parts that match your spa. To start shopping, you can choose from the categories in the sidebar of the website. These categories include accessories, pillows and water care, control boxes, control panels, electrical, exterior and surface repair, filter compartment, hardware and tools, heaters, jets, lights, plumbing, and pumps. When you are scrolling through the options available, Parts Finder will place a green banner that says matches your serial number on the products that will work for your spa. After Parts Finder is activated, you can browse our entire selection of replacement parts and accessories and know instantly if it is a fit for your spa. Parts Finder isn't the only thing that makes our new website great. We have spent endless hours adding more helpful information to each product description. This includes an in-depth description of the product, compatibility notes, and parts diagrams. You will also want to take a look at our brand new how-to videos, and blog posts. If you need help fixing your spa, we have great news for you. We have multiple options for you to contact our spa technicians. You can call, submit a ticket through our help desk system, and now you can text us right from your mobile phone. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to help you save money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you can easily do by yourself. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us on the web at backyardplus.com.